For assembling without the solder wire perforation, start with assembling the counter wheel, but first notice the flat side where the screw will assemble. Pass the Allen wrench through the hole to access the screw. Then, insert the intermediate nozzle, and tighten the screw. Then, assemble the inlet nozzle. Then, assemble the support wheel. To differentiate the support wheel, we will see its diameter inscribed above. Now, assemble the traction wheel. And finally, insert the guide set and tighten the screw. And do not forget to change the diameter of the wire in the station, corresponding to the new bobbin.